2 feared dead and about 20 people missing in Shizuoka mudslide as heavy rain hits Japan. Landslide has swept away homes in the city of Atami in Shizuoka Prefecture. At least 2 people have been killed and many others have been reported missing on Saturday, after heavy rains hit Japan's central city of Atami and Shizuoka, triggering landslides, according to the public broadcaster NHK. Because of the heavy rain, the ground loosened and the mudslide occurred. It picked up speed and swept away houses together with people, Governor Heita Kawakatsu told reporters. According to NHK, record heavy rains have been reported in Shizuoka as well as Kanagawa Prefecture in the last 48 hours, prompting local authorities to raise their alert about possible flooding and sediment-related disasters. According to the Japanese Meteorological Agency, rains are expected to continue in several areas of Japan in the next 2 days. Around the same time last year, at least 50 people were reported killed after heavy floods and landslides devastated southwestern Japan.